everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm back with another hexagon, star looking like hexagon with 6 corners. I'm gonna show you how to make the hexagon and then how you can turn it into a blanket, no matter how big you want it. It's a simple trick which keeps the sides in proper shape of the hexagon and without shrinking later on as you work the blanket. So we'll get started right away. I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. I'll chain 4. And I'll make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 2, three double crochet. I will repeat total of 6 times. 3 double crochet, chain 2, total of 6 times. And the last cluster. Chain 2 and join to the top initial chain. Okay, so this is what you get in the beginning, the first row all round. Now onto the second round. We're gonna work only in the chain 2 spaces, that's it. So I'm gonna chain 3, and this chain 3 will be considered as a double crochet in the last chain 2. So I'll start working in the next chain 2. I will make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Like so, and we continue. We repeat in the next chain 2 space and all the chain 2 spaces. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. and the chain 2 space before the last. And the last one, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and join to the initial, chain 3. Two double crochet, and join to the top, initial, chain 3, and this is row 2 or round 2. Okay, so here it's similar to the granny square, where you with every row you create a new space, the small spaces. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 corners. 6 corners will always be worked the same. No matter how big is your project, it will be 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. In those small spaces we will work only 3 double crochet, just once, or we can call them clusters. So one cluster in the small spaces and one cluster, chain 2, one cluster in the corners. You will see how to do it. So this is my first space in the round 3 or row 3. I'm gonna chain 3 and add 2 double crochet to make it a cluster. Now I have this corner, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. In the next space, 3 double crochet. And we repeat in the corner, cluster, chain 2, cluster. I will finish this row and then I'll come back to show you how to make row 4. So this is my last corner. And I'm gonna join to the initial chain 3. And this is round 3. So now still we're going one more row before we turn it into a blanket, and what to do to keep the blanket flat. So the third row, the same thing, we have created additional small spaces where again I'll do only one cluster in each, and the corners are the same. We'll do cluster, chain 2, cluster. again I'm at the end of this row. And I'll join to the initial chain 3, the top. Okay, so you see it started shrinking now, and for that we need to keep it flat. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna do it throughout the work. So you see here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is round 4. We have 1, 2, 3 spaces. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna work this space, skip this space, and work this space with 3 double crochet, and then the corners as always will be the same, nothing changed. And again, when we turn, we're gonna work this space, skip this space, and work this space. I'll show you how. So chain 3 and add 2 double crochet. I'm gonna skip this space and work 3 double crochet in the next space. Like this. And then in the corner, I'm gonna work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay. Again, I'm gonna work the first space. I'm gonna skip the next space and work the next one. We continue the same. I'm gonna finish this round and then I'll come back to show you how it looks like and explain further what we're gonna do in the next rounds or rows. So again, work this space. Skip this space and work this one. So this is the first decrease of the blanket, and you will need to do that every 2 rows. Every 2 rows you will skip the middle space and work the other spaces as normal and the corners as normal. So for how to know which row to work, it's either you count it every 2 rows or where you have an odd number in the sides, like the space here I had 5 spaces, so I reduced the one, it's always the middle one which you need to skip. So I work 2 spaces, skip the middle space and work 2 more spaces, and the number will increase in every row, of course. So I hope this is clear and you'll be able to do your own blanket, star blanket or hexagon blanket with 6 corners. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.